Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to launch a product using Kabbage funds. Now, have you got a great product idea but not enough capital? Well, Kabbage can help you bring that launch to life. And here's how to do it step by step. Step 1, plan the launch. Now, outline what you need: inventory, packaging, marketing, maybe even influencers. Now, this becomes your launch budget. Step 2, draw the exact funds that you need. Now, take out just enough from your Kabbage line to cover pre-launch and launch costs. Don't overdraw. Keep it lean and focused. Step 3, invest in awareness first. Now, use part of your funds for buzz, pre-orders, early access campaigns, or paid ads, just to drive excitement before you go live. Step 4, have a post-launch repayment plan. Now, once sales come in, you want to repay your Kabbage draw fast. This lets you to reset your credit and prep for the next launch round. You don't need a huge bank account to launch something big, just a solid plan and a little Kabbage capital. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.